Hi, good afternoon. My name is Anupam Gambhir. I am from Estate Experts. We are standing inside Sushant Lok Phase 2 on a plot size of 500 square yards. This is a 4-bedroom hall kitchen. Let's get started. The place where I'm standing right now is the dining section of this house. As well, you can consider this as a formal living space. इसको अगर मैं formal living space की तरह consider करता हूँ तो यहाँ पर अपना dining space बना लेता हूँ क्योंकि ये kitchen के साथ में है, और इधर अगर formal living space करता हूँ तो यहाँ पर अपना dining section में कर सकता हूँ. A table for 10-11 people can easily be accommodated. On the surface, you will see this is all Italian on the surface. Left hand side wall has a brick wallpaper. The right wall stays empty, wherein you've got two air conditioner to be hung. This is the provisioning given for the air conditioning system. You talk about the ceiling design. This has an engineered wood. This is a rectangular shaped ceiling design. This has a small chandelier above me. This is by Opal, and this also has 3 ceiling fans in this hallway. This is the formal living space. You can place your sofa out here. आराम से आप natural sunlight आ रही है. You can chill out and you can relax with your family. A normal square shaped ceiling design is given here. Beautiful LED lights, and you see this ceiling design. This has got an MDF design carved sheet ऊपर में लगाया हुआ है. इसके फ्रंट में you'll see this balcony. Again, balcony दिखाने से पहले ये air conditioning का provisioning है. This is the front balcony of the house. Quite a huge thick balcony. This is all MS. This is toughened glass. आपका यहाँ पर wet area है, drainage vessel है. This is a moving balcony. This has all tiling work done. Railings के नीचे सारा granite का counter top है. ऊपर में आपका लेफ्ट साइड में तब देखेंगे टेक्सचर्ड वॉल है, ऊपर में सारा HPL शीट्स इससे कवर किया हुआ है. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो शेयर्ड विद द किचन पार्ट. लेट्स गेट इनसाइड टू द फॉर्मल लिविंग स्पेस. एज वी डिस्कस्ड, वी विल कवर अप द फर्स्ट बेडरूम ऑफ द हाउस नाउ. दिस इज द फर्स्ट बेडरूम ऑफ द हाउस. काफ़ी स्पेशियस है, काफ़ी ज़्यादा स्पेशियस है. टाइलिंग वर्क है सरफेस पे, आपका डिज़ाइनर टाइल्स हैं. On my left hand side, it's like wallpaper लगाया हुआ है wall पे. This is a normal wall. This again has a balcony connected here. This has a different balcony, not the same. It's not the running balcony. This is a different balcony of the first bedroom of this house. Again, MS toughened metal railings, metal design. This is the space for your air conditioning system. You can hang it here. ये पूरा का पूरा टेलीविज़न का कंसोल आपका दिया हुआ है. यहाँ पर आपका पूरा क्लॉजेट है. ये दिखा देता हूँ मैं आपको एक खोल के. ये पूरा टेलीविज़न का कंसोल है. यहाँ पर आप बेड प्लेस कर सकते हो. यहाँ पर टेलीविज़न, यू गुड टू गो. सीलिंग आपका नॉर्मल डिज़ाइन है. गुड क्वालिटी फैंस अबव मी. दिस ऑल्सो हैज़ अ वॉशरूम कनेक्टेड टू द रूम. अगेन यू गॉट अ ह्यूज क्लॉजेट स्पेस. इधर में पूरा का पूरा क्लॉजेट बनाया हुआ है. It's a slider closet. You've got a beautiful vanity by QO. That's your drawers, your cabinetries. This is a natural stone countertop. A running moving shelf out here. Stuff to keep your upholsteries. Exhaust fan by Finolex. This is a wall mounted seat by QO. Again, this is a channel given for the shower section. That's your rain head. सारा टाइलिंग वर्क है अंदर वॉशरूम में. नीचे भी टाइल्स है, वॉल्स पे भी टाइल्स है. सारा QO का काम है इसमें. This is again an LED glass, LED light illumination दिया हुआ है. थोड़ा सा मोदी गार्ड का एक ग्लास है, मिरर आपका दिया हुआ है सामने में दिखाने के लिए. सैनिटरी फिटिंग सारा QO का है. You're back inside the hallway area. This is your powder room, which is commonly shared with the last bedroom of the house. This is the powder room. We'll showcase you this powder room in a little while. Let's showcase you the temple area. This is the temple area. ये मंदिर है आपका एक तरीके का घर का. यहाँ पर आप अपने हिसाब से डिज़ाइन करा सकते हैं. नीचे में कैबिनेटरी स्पेस दे दिया है. सारी वॉल्स प्लेन छोड़ दी है क्योंकि अपने हिसाब से आप कस्टमाइजेशन कर सकते हैं. दिस इज़ ऑल MDF. इसको आप वाइट पेंट भी करा सकते हैं अपने हिसाब से. अ ब्यूटिफुल स्पेस फॉर योर टेम्पल. स्मॉल सीलिंग डिज़ाइन. यहाँ पर ब्लू कलर की लाइट्स आप लगाओगे तो बहुत सुंदर लगेंगी आपको, बहुत ही ज़्यादा क्लासीफाई लगेंगी. दिस इज़ द second bedroom of the house. A huge size bedroom which has a master balcony in the back side. This is your thick wallpaper. Ceiling design stays in a square shape. All your closet space. This is your console where your television will be hung. That's the space for your air conditioner. You've got the tiling work on the surface. This is your washroom. This is your wall mounted commode seat. Water geyser by Ferrari. Shower head by Kio. All sanitary fittings are by Jaguar and Kio mixed. This is your exhaust fan. Antis के tiles दिया हुआ है. यहाँ पर भी सारा tiling work है surface पे. This is your vanity. This is a square edgy shape vanity which has a natural stone countertop. You've got the drawers out here. This has a glass partition. The shower area is bifurcated. This is the moving shelf. You can keep your stuff out here. This is the balcony connected at the back side. A huge balcony. On the right hand side you'll see then external का आप unit लगा सकते हैं AC का. This is a huge balcony. एक बार दिखा दीजिए पूरा balcony. यहाँ पर आप external AC की मशीनरी लगा सकते हैं अपनी. ये आपका ग्रेनाइट का काउंटर टॉप दिया है. MS की रेलिंग है. सारा टाइलिंग वर्क है आपका सरफेस पे. ये आपका अनदर बेडरूम के साथ में जो कॉमनली शेयर करते हैं और लास्ट बेडरूम आपका ये वाला हो गया. यानी कि सेकंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ का बालकनी सेम है. पीछे से कुछ ऐसा व्यू है इस घर का. सिंस दिस इज़ अ 500 स्क्वायर यार्ड प्लॉट, इट्स अ ह्यूज साइज. You've got the water geyser there to keep your upholstery. इधर में आप झूला वगैरह भी लगा सकते हैं घर के बाहर, जो वो हैंगिंग झूला होता है ना, बालकनी में लगा सकते हैं. This is the third bedroom of the house. From the hallway you get intersected here. This is the third bedroom. Again to keep your storage. That's a small study table which is given here, or maybe the computer table. Air conditioning का provisioning है. Left, right, front wall stays empty for your customization. This is an H shape false ceiling design. This is also connected with the balcony out here. The same balcony that we showed you. Nothing has changed. This has a tap vessel, the drainage vessel. Everything is same, similar. This is your washroom space with the third bedroom. A vanity, looks beautiful. Small vanity by Kio, a natural stone. You've got the drawers, the glass partition which is a trapezoidal in shape. That's your rain head. That's your wall mounted commode seat to keep the stuff for your upholstery. That's an LED with the Modi guard mirror. All tiling work done inside the washroom. Let's cover the fourth bedroom, which is this one. This is a master size bedroom that I see. सामने में you've got the floating shelf, engineered wood on the top. This is all wooden board. A good quality wooden work has been done here. इधर television लगा सकते हैं अपना. That's the place for your air conditioning system. Provisioning दिया हुआ है. That's a thick quality wallpaper on the surface. You've got tiling work done. यहाँ कपड़े आराम से सुखा सकते हो. Huge size balcony. This is again the wet area has been given here. इधर में wash basin लगेगा. इसमें सारा दिया हुआ है stuff इधर. That's the storage system. If you're sitting outside and if it's raining, go have a glass of beer. Above me you will see a grouping done on the ceiling. This is a normal fan given. This also has a washroom attached. That's your closet section, your wardrobes. All tiling work done on the surface from here to there. That's an anti-skid, that's a different tile. This is again a tiling work done, a beautiful designer tile on my left and on my right. You've got the glass This is your Modi guard mirror, and then you've got Helionix ka light which is gonna flow here. A wall mount commode seat, and the fittings are all by Grohe and QO. That's your shower section. You probably have to close this channel, and if you open it you get inside to the showers area. That's a small duct, ventilation duct which is given here, जहाँ पर आपके geysers वगैरह और exhaust लगाया हुआ है. Let's cover up the kitchen part once now. This is the kitchen. It's a huge size kitchen. It's an island kitchen basically. The center of the kitchen, you've got this countertop, a beautiful natural stone which has crystals shining embossed inside it. The home appliances, chimney and hob is by CAF. This also has a timing system. You can see this illuminization towards this side. This is all tiling work done. Again, a natural stone here. You place your oven, your OTG. This is the space for your cabinets. This is again a running cabinet space. This one too. You've got an open cabinet space here. This is to keep your cutlery. Here you keep your small boxes. Here you can place your multi-grains. This is again a natural stone countertop given here to keep something as per your materials which you have. This is to keep your crockery, जो आपके घर में ceramic porcelain के utensils होते हैं. This is your washer's sink by Jaguar. Again, you've got the storage system here as well. Since this is a waterfall island kitchen, so the storage is not a problem. Approximately, I guess, 10 people can easily stand here, and they can assist someone who's cooking the food in the family. Just a get together hota hai. This is your garbage box. You've got two big sinks. This is again by Jaguar. This place you can hang your geyser. This is your utensils washer area. You drain it down. This is again your cabinetry. So the ceiling design stays square in shape. This also has a balcony connected here in the front of the house. This is the front balcony. This is commonly shared with the formal living space. And this is all your HPL sheets. Designer lights are given here. The surrounding stays the same. You see that EMAR development visibly visible to you. That's how you get connected to the corporates. Again, इसके नीचे में कोई storage नहीं है, उधर की तरफ ही है. This is the space where you can park your refrigerator. That's all about the kitchen. Let's get back to the hallway area, and it's time to sign off. You were watching Anupam Gambhir. This was a 500 square yard plot size inside Sushant Lok Phase 2. Don't forget to give us your thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Stay tuned for the videos and keep watching us. Namaste.